ए वेरी गुड डे टू ऑल। तो आज हम जो नॉवेल का एमसीक्यू देखेंगे उसका नाम है द पावर एंड द ग्लोरी एंड इट इज़ रिटन बाय ग्राहम ग्रीन। और हम कुछ हाई चांस जो आ सकते हैं क्वेश्चंस जिनकी प्रोबेबिलिटी ज़्यादा है उस क्वेश्चंस को देखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सो इन विच ईयर द ग्राहम ग्रीन्स नॉवल द पावर एंड द ग्लोरी वॉज ओरिजिनली पब्लिश्ड। तो इसका हो जाएगा आंसर 1940 में ये पब्लिश हुआ था। द नोवेल पावर एंड ग्लोरी is explicitly set during which decade of the 20th century। तो ये 1930s में। तो 1938 में जो लॉ आया था कि एंटी कैथोलिक लॉ बोलेंगे मैक्सिको में, तो 1930s। In which specific state is the primary narrative of the novel situated? So it is situated in Tabasco। ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट है टबास्को। द वर्बली आयनिक title Power and the Glory is directly extracted from which traditional Christian prayer? तो कौन से ट्रेडिशनल क्रिश्चियन प्रेयर से? द लॉर्ड्स प्रेयर, आवर फादर। द रेडिकल रिवोल्यूशनरी गवर्नमेंट ग्रुप रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एक्सिक्यूटिंग द एंटी कैथोलिक पर्जेस इन द नोवेल इज नोन एज व्हाट? इनको क्या बोलते हैं जो कैथोलिक्स को मानना चाहते हैं? द रेड शर्ट्स। ठीक है। under which maximum president administration in the mid 30s were anti-clerical constitutional law heavily enforced। इसको बोलेंगे लार्जो कार्डियंस, लार्जो कार्डियनियास। ठीक है। सो which of the primary narrative perspective employed by the Graham Greene in the novel? ये थर्ड पर्सन omniscient है। ठीक। then what is the profession of Mr. Tench, the expatriate character introduced in the first chapter? इनका प्रोटेशन क्या है? पोर्ट अथॉरिटी नहीं नहीं, ब्रिटिश डेंटिस्ट रहते हैं, ब्रिटिश डेंटिस्ट रहते हैं। Which specific item of medical equipment is Mr. Trench waiting for at the port in chapter 1? किसके लिए वेट कर रहे हैं? क्या आने वाला उनका? एन ईदर सिलेंडर। ठीक है। The the boat that protagonist misses in the opening chapter is named after which historical Mexican revolutionary figure? कौन से historical revolutionary figure के बारे? जनरल Obregón। To which destination city the protagonist intend to escape boat during on the boat before being delayed? कहाँ वो जाना चाहता है? वेरा क्रूज में। Why does the protagonist explicitly miss his chance to escape on the boat in the chapter 1? क्यों वो चांसेस अपने मिस कर देता है? Because a child arrives begging him to administer medical or spiritual aid to a sick woman। अब प्रीस्ट है तो वो तो जाएगा ही जाएगा, उसका धर्म है। मतलब यहाँ पे इसके कैरेक्टर्स में फ्लॉ है। ये तो विस्की प्रीस्ट है, पानी पीता रहता है, सॉरी पानी तो सबको पीता है, वो दारू पीता रहता है। सो what false professional identity does the protagonist claims when he first converse with Mr. Trench? क्या बोलता है protagonist? A quick seller of patent medicine। What specific Latin liturgical expression used by Mr. Trench startles the protagonist in the chapter 1? O pro nobis, ora pro nobis। ठीक है। What is the name of the deceptive paperwork novel carried by the priest which actually contained text written in the Latin? क्या है? The Eternal Martyr। ठीक। The physical appearance of the protagonist, dark suit and sloping soldier, uncomfortably reminds Mr. Trench of what object? It reminds of what object? A coffin। What is the social background of the protagonist before he took holy orders? He was the son of the humble storekeeper. According to the protagonist's own admission, did he originally choose to enter? Why did he originally choose to enter in the priesthood? क्यों enter करता है? क्योंकि he sought for a comfortable, respected life and high status that priests then enjoyed। तो ये भी भोग विलास की जिंदगी जीना चाहता है। अफेयर्स भी रहते हैं इसके। What मारिया नाम की एक लड़की रहती है, उससे ब्रिजिट नाम की एक बेटी रहती है। ब्रिजिट का बर्ताव थोड़ा वो बोल सकते हैं कि ऑटिज्म चाइल्ड रहती है वो। What distinct physical feature is noted by Mr. Tench regarding the protagonist eyes? Protagonist eyes को क्या बोलते हैं? Protuberant eyes, giving an impression of unstable hilarity। ठीक है। द lieutenant's पर्सनल लिविंग क्वार्टर आर डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय द थर्ड पर्सन नरेटर एज रिजेंबलिंग व्हाट स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रक्चर। कैसा दिख रहा है? ये मोनेस्टिक सेल जैसा दिख रहा है, ठीक है, मोनेस्टिक सेल जैसा उनका क्वार्टर दिख रहा है। Then, what is the racial ethnic background of the nameless lieutenant who's relentlessly pursues the protagonist? कौन है lieutenant जो पीछे पड़ा हुआ है? Where he's of an Indian descent. Indian descent यहाँ से Indian नहीं, वो मैक्सिकन अमेरिकन इंडियन जो है वो है, ठीक। तो what इंडियन ट्राइब होती है ना वहाँ पे, इस वजह से। What character act as a parlor foil to the protagonist by choosing to marry his housekeeper to comply with the government? क्या है ये? पैद्रे पैद्रे होसे, पैद्रे होसे, ठीक। How does Padre Jose view his life as a married man under the revolutionary laws? हाँ, कैसा फील करते हैं? He feel like a continuous state of lifelong torment and active sacrilege worse than execution. ये भी पैद्रे होसे, क्या ये भी पादरी रहते हैं जो एक्सिक्यूशन के डर की वजह से शादी कर लेते हैं? इनको ऑप्शन दिया जाता है, या तो तुमको मार दिया जाए या तो तुम कैथोलिज्म छोड़ के शादी करो, ठीक। द pious mother reads a highly sanitized hyperbolic religious book, sorry for that, to her children, detailing the martyrdom of which fictional character? तो किसकी बात होगी? यंग युआन की। which is the What is the age of Louis, the young boy who is initially reject the story of the saint and admires the revolutionary? उस बॉय की एज क्या रहती है? 24, 14 years old. Sorry. Which revolutionary leader are evaluated by Louis and his friends during their childhood street games? कौन है? मैद्रो यूहेता यूएर्ता करेंजा, ये। Who is administrator of the outpost of the General American Banana Company, introduced in the General American Banana Company? एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आउटपोस्ट पे कौन रहता है जो इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया है चैप्टर 1 के पार्ट 1 में, सॉरी पार्ट 1 में? उसका नाम रहता है मिस्टर लेहर। What is the age of the Coral Fellows, that remarkably mature and responsible daughter of the Banana Company administrator? Age क्या है उसकी daughter की? 13 years old. Which physical afflictions does the chief police suffers from throughout the major event of the novel? A persistent and deliberating toothache. What strategy does the lieutenant successfully implement to force the local villager to surrender the priest? He takes civilian hostages from each villages and execute them sequentially if the priest is hidden. ठीक? What is the name of the protagonist's 6-year-old illegitimate daughter? Brigitta. ठीक है? What is the mother of the protagonist's illegitimate daughter? Who is the mother? तो मदर कौन है? Maria. What? How did the protagonist manage to avoid detection with the lieutenant unexpectedly searched Maria's village? कैसे कैसे क्या होता था? Maria claimed that he was her husband and Brigitta pointed to him and his father. What physical item did Maria destroy or throw into trash dump to protect the priest from the police evidence? क्या करती है Maria? Maria करती है his case containing paper and a stash of sacramental wine. What defining physical trait characteristics this malicious mestizo who pursues the priest pursues the priest for reward money? What does malicious trait he have? He have a total lack of teeth except for his sharp canine teeth. Okay. Which biblical figure is Mestizo explicitly compared to by both the narrator and the protagonist? कौन से biblical figure से comparison किया गया है? Judas Iscariot. What? Where does the priest first encounter the Mestizo in the novel? Where does the priest first encounter the Mestizo in the novel? Near the bank of the river during the journey. ठीक है. From which character does the village illegally purchases wine and brandy in the capital city? In the capital city, from where does he purchase wine? The governor's cousin. गवर्नर कजिन खुद ऐशो आराम वाला आदमी रहता है इसमें. हु इज द प्रिस्ट? Why is the priest thrown into the communal jail cell in the capital city? क्यों क्यों communal jail में छोड़ा जाता? Because he is arrested on the illegal possession of the alcohol. एक तरीके से आपका रिवीजन हो जाएगा. Sorry for there is little bit problem with my voice. And what false alias done does the protagonist keep the police booking officer when he is jailed? क्या बोलता है उसको? He is Juan Montes. अपना असली नाम तो नहीं बताता ना. वाई डज द प्रीस्ट, ये तो याद रखिएगा, फिर पूछ सकता है. वाई डज द प्रीस्ट ब्रेक डाउन इन टू टीयर्स वाइल ड्रिंकिंग एल्कोहल विद द गवर्नर्स कजिन? इसका आंसर, द कजिन एंड द चीफ ऑफ द पुलिस फिनिशेस ड्रिंकिंग व्हेन ही desperately needed food to celebrate mass gathering होती है. Who is the primary ideological antagonist for the priest during his night spent in the dark communal jail cell? प्राइमरी आइडियोलॉजिकल एंटागोनिस्ट कौन है? तो ये है द सेल्फ राइटियस प्राउड पायस वुमेन जेल्ड फॉर possessing religious object. Why does the mestizo choose not to immediately betray the priest when he spots him inside the jail? क्यों नहीं, अभी क्यों नहीं? मेस्टिजो का तो पूरा सीन ही रहता है कि इसको पकड़वा के पैसे बटोरना है, तो क्यों नहीं उस टाइम पे वो जेल में पुलिस वालों को सौंप देता है? इसलिए नहीं सौंपता है कि ही इज करेंटली enjoying a comfortable life at the expense of the police and he wants the full reward for himself later. पुलिस वाले बोलेंगे अरे मैंने मेरे जेल में मैं पकड़ लिया, बाद में पकड़वाएगा तो पूरा पैसा मिलेगा. व्हाट आइकॉनिक एक्ट डज लेफ्टिनेंट परफॉर्म बिफोर रिलीजिंग द अनरिकॉग्नाइज्ड प्रीस्ट फ्रॉम द जेल? क्या करता है? ही गिव्स हिम 5 पेशो कॉइन आउट ऑफ चैरिटी फॉर एन ओल्ड बेगर. When the priest returns to the banana company outpost after his jail release, what does he find? क्या banana company में find करता है? The entire outpost is completely deserted and fellow's family is gone. From what animal does the starving priest forcefully steal a bone to scrap the meat remnants at the abandoned outpost? किससे? किससे? Starving dog से. An injured starving dogs. The Indian woman whom the priest encounters on the road is carrying a child who has suffered what fate? क्या fate है? The child has died after being shot multiple times. What Spanish word does the grieving Indian woman repeatedly says to the priest to indicate her goal? What she says? She says iglesia. That means church. Okay. What is the only food source shared between the priest and the Indian woman during the silent mountain trek? Silent mountain क्या food source है? ये है large lamp of coarse sugar. What does the Indian woman finally deposit her deceased child body along with a protective offering? कहाँ पे? In a strange remote graveyard situated on the mountain plateau. What offering does the priest find next to the dead boy's body in the graveyard? What he eats and what makes him shiver? A lump of coarse sugar. Where does the exhausted hallucinatory priest collapse before being rescued by citizens across the strait border against the wall of the functioning church? With which brother and sister does the priest stay while recuperating across the safe state border? क्या हो गया? मिस्टर एंड मिस लहर. What is the specific religious domination in the Lahar sibling who provide temporary shelter to the priest? What were religious? They were Lutheran. What जो रिफॉर्म कर रहे थे कैथोलिक चर्च को. What text does the priest find placed inside his room by Miss Lahar, which was brought from her past hotel business? कहाँ क्या मिलता है उसको? एक गोल्डन बाइबल मिलता है. How does the priest alter his pastoral behavior once he is in the safe village and treated with high respect? क्या करता है वहाँ पे? फिर वो he begin to haggle over baptism prices and feels his old proud habits hardening him. फिर वो मतलब प्राइड फील करने लगता है, मतलब छुप छुप के नहीं रखता है, बहुत ज़्यादा विजिबल हो जाता है. What news does Mestizo bring to the priest at Lahar's estate to lure him back across the डेंजरस बॉर्डर, क्या प्रीस्ट को क्या बोलता है वहां पे, क्या बोलता है, कोई मर रहा है तो उसको हील कर दो यार प्लीज ऐसे करके। तो क्या करता है, द अमेरिकन क्रिमिनल जेम्स कैल्वर हैज बीन सॉट एंड इज डाइंग एंड रिक्वेस्ट प्रीस्ट फॉर कन्फेशन, कन्फेशन के लिए बोलता है। What physical proof does Mestizo produce to convince the priest that the American criminal is truly dying? क्या proof क्या है? A handwritten note from James Caliber. How does the American criminal James Caliber act when the priest arrives at the hut to hear his last confession? He refuses to confess and repeatedly tells the priest to escape so he won't capture. तो यहाँ पे पता है कि फंसाया गया। What item does the dying American criminal offer to the priest before drawing his last breath? मरने से पहले, मरने के उपरांत क्या होता है? His gun and the knife, ताकि अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर सके। Trapped inside the hut due to the severe rainstorm with Caliber's corpse, what does the lieutenant tell the priest? What does the lieutenant tell the priest? लेफ्टिनेंट क्या बोला, अब लेफ्टिनेंट राजा तो क्या बोलता है, दिस that he is not barbarian, has nothing against him personally as a man, but must destroy him as a dangerous symbol. What reason does the priest provide to the lieutenant for why he did not flee Mexico when the purges first began? क्यों? He stayed at first out of laziness, then became proud of being the only priest left and eventually fathered a child. What physical favor does Lieutenant grant to be convicted priest on the night before his scheduled execution? क्या क्या होता है? ये he brings him a flask of brandy to ease his isolation. अभी भी alcohol brandy. What does the priest desperately request to hear his final confession while in his death cell with the lieutenant tries to arrange? Which the lieutenant tries to arrange? क्या? Padre Jose. Why does the Padre Jose refuses to visit the prison cell to hear the protagonist's final confession? Why? ये तो डरपोक आदमी है. His wife and his own deep fear of public execution and humiliation prevented him. Sorry for that. We'll continue. It will work. बंद हो जाएगा तो आपको पता ही है कि मेरी बैटरी चली गई है. सॉरी फॉर दैट. व्हाट फंडामेंटल थियोलॉजिकल डिलेमा प्रिवेंट्स द प्रीस्ट फ्रॉम सक्सेसफुली मेकिंग हिज ओन परफेक्ट कन्फेशन टू गॉड? His own perfect confession to God, he cannot genuinely feel regret for the sin that resulted in the birth of his daughter Brigitta, whom he deeply loves. What specific event the protagonist experienced his profound dream on the night before his execution? He's feasting on a grand cathedral and receives communion from another priest while fellow fills his glass with wine. ठीक है. What final thought does the protagonist have upon walking on the morning of his execution? So that he has morning of the execution, no, morning of execution में that, yeah, morning of execution, that it would have been easy, quite easy to have been a saint if he had made a little more effort. ठीक. Who is the dentist Mr. Tench treating at the exact moment he witnessed the protagonist's execution through the window? The chief of the police. What does Mr. Strange resolutely vow to do immediately after witnessing the sudden execution of the priest? He vows to permanently leave Mexico. Mexico छोड़ के जाने का प्लान बना लेते हैं. How does the young boy Louis react when he encounters the lieutenant in the street after the priest execution? क्या कहते हैं? He spits the lieutenant, shifting his admiration entirely away from the revolution. What surprises the event occur at the house of the Lewis and every conclusion of the novel's final chapter? क्या होता है? What surprise event? क्या होता है यहाँ पे? A newly arrived anonymous priest knocks the door and he's quietly welcomed inside. तो ये क्या होता है? साइकिल जो है वो चलती रहेगी, आप रिलीजन को कर्स नहीं कर पाओगे. एक चीज़ तो कितने भी फ्रैनेटिक बन जाओ, कितने भी anti बन जाओ, the cycle will continue. What occurring phrase Lord Tennyson's poem The Brook Socks the Priest when he reads Coral's old school material? क्या है उसमें, क्या रहता है? For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. Which poem by Thomas Campbell is included in the Coral's fellow abundant academic material at the outpost? क्या है यहाँ पे? लॉर्ड यूलिन यूलिन्स डॉटर। यही ना, एक बार पढ़ने दीजिए। यस, यही है। हम्म, According to Graham Greene's own description, what was the personal perspective on his religious identity later in the life? A Catholic atheist who valued mysticism but struggled with the traditional piety. Which literary genre best classifies the overarching structural design of the power and the glory? क्या है ये? The psychological realism and moral dilemma. What theological sin does the priest identify as the absolute worst offense which caused the dynamic fall of the angels? क्या है? Pride. Pride तो आपको पता है. Which character which character of the self-righteous woman in the jail serves as a primary narrative symbol for what concept? ये थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है। ये सॉरी rigid judgmental traditional piety that builds world around a human. What primary symbol function do bread and wine serve within the core structural design of the novel? They represent the both sacred element and the mass and the physical indicator of the priest's duty and the weakness. Which character, the character of the children throughout the novel, primarily represent which overarching thematic motive? The future generation will question actions, reject hypocrisy, and carry faith or ideology forward. What historical event in Europe coincided with the publication of The Power and the Glory in 1940? क्या चल रहा था? The early years of the World War II and the lone battle of the England against the Nazis. What critical reaction does the industrial Roman Catholic Church have towards the novel for several years after its release? The Catholic Church heavily condemned the novel for its raw, portrait clerical behavior. Which pope personally assured Graham Greene this that his complex physical psychological novel were not blasphemous? कौन से पोप ने? पोप पॉल सिक्स्थ. What major international literary honor was Graham Greene frequently shortlisted but was never awarded before his death? Before his death, he was never awarded. It was like the Nobel Prize in the literature. Posthumously इनको Nobel Prize in literature मिला है. What distinct physical affection does the local schoolmaster suffer from when dealing with the village population? The grudging, bitter attitude towards religious practitioner. What does the priest do with the money he earned from performing baptism in the safe village before leaving with the mestizo? क्या करता है priest? Priest क्या करता है? Priest, he gives it to the bitter schoolmaster to buy food and supplies for the village. Where does the Graham Greene pass away in 1991? कहाँ पे वो पास है? स्विट्जरलैंड में. During the World War II, Graham Greene served as an active intelligence agent for which organization? तो ये कहाँ के थे? ये ब्रिटेन के थे. तो ब्रिटेन में कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है? MI6. और अमेरिका की क्या है? CIA. इंडिया की क्या है? रॉ. ठीक. और ये मोसाद कहाँ? इजराइल की. ISI कहाँ की है? पाकिस्तान की. ठीक. Which country serves as the operating setting for the Green later anti-colonial novel The Quiet American? वियतनाम. ठीक है. Which specific term does the narrator continuously use to refer the American fugitive James Calver? The Grinzo. What crime James Calver actively wanted for by both American and Mexican law enforcement authorities? क्या crime था? Bank robbery and homicide. What specific gospel account contains the narrative of the penitent thief explicitly referred to during the jail conversation? The Gospel of the Luke. What specific vegetable does the priest bite and in during the mass to mask the physical scent of experimental wine from the police? क्या हो सकता है ये? A. Raw onion. How does the lieutenant gift 5 pesos देता है जेल से जब निकल के आता है तो? How many? Which specific beverage does Coral Fellow provides to the thirsty priest during his night hiding in the outpost? क्या बोलता है? Bottle of beer. What kind of educational code does Coral Fellow teach the priest so that they can communicate if he returns to the jungle? क्या बोलता है? Morse code. The character of Mr. Fellows is neurotically obsessed with the specific conceptual fear. क्या है? Death and the linguistic phrase that reference mortality. What is the full name of the author who composed the definitive text of psychological and moral conflict? Henry uh, Graham Greene. Which structural device does Greene employ by utilizing parallel visit to the banana outpost and alternative perspective? क्या है? Symmetric parallel structure and foil characters. Last question पे आ गए. What overarching spiritual argument does the power and the glory celebrate regarding the nature of the faith? ये क्या है? Graham Greene, genuine faith can operate effectively through the most broken sinful human channels independent of the rigid outward pity. तो आज का लेक्चर मैं यहीं पे ख़त्म करता हूँ. आई होप यू राइट द लेक्चर, और if you like want more videos, if you like my videos, you can follow the channel. Thank you.